Hey y'all, so my name is Max. I'm a software engineer graduate, and I'm basically starting this YouTube channel just to like document my process of like trying to get a job. I graduated with a bachelor's in computer science, and I'm still in the process. After a whole year, I'm still in the process of getting the job. So I spent the last 6 months of 2024 perfecting my resume, and basically if you're a computer science graduate and trying to look for a job, it's really hard to get a job right now. And one of the things that you need to do is you need to have like a really strong resume. So there's a couple steps that I have laid down that I'm going to be working on every single week in order for me to land this job. Pretty much step one is to have like a really strong resume, and I already completed step one. Now step two, the step that I'm on right now, is working on my interview skills. Right, so whenever you're doing computer science interviews or software engineering interviews, usually they usually have a first round interview, and the first round interview is usually just an online assessment where they give you a problem and you have to solve the problem. It's called LeetCode. They give you a LeetCode problem and you have to solve it. Once you pass the LeetCode problem, then you go to the second round interview, and the second round interview is usually they try to assess. It's usually a mock interview. And a mock interview, basically what it is that they give you a legal problem and then you have to solve it. But what they're trying to see when you're solving this during the mock interview, they're trying to evaluate your communication skills. Can you actually explain this to someone and they understand what you're saying? So that's usually the second round interview. So right now what I'm working on is my interview skills. I've been getting interviews, but I just keep failing the interview skills. So I'm in the process right now of like just perfecting my interview skills. That's what I'm working on right now. So I'm gonna be documenting my whole process on this channel. So I know there's a lot of you out there who are in the same, I don't want to say in the same process, but you're in the same situation as me. Like we're all in the same situation. We can't get jobs right now, but a lot of y'all are not getting interviews. I'm fortunate enough that I'm getting interviews. I'm just not passing the coding interviews. So I just need to like work on my LeetCode problems. So I'm working every week on LeetCode. But I'm also working on projects, right? So I'm part of this residency program, and what we do is we work on, it's a program that helps us to like work on projects where we can put those projects on our resume. Once we have these projects on our resume and we do get an interview, we're able to talk about our projects during the interview. And the type of projects that we've worked on, this week we're working on a TikTok clone. So you guys know TikTok was banned, then it came back. But this week, the project we were supposed to work on was a TikTok clone. So basically, we were supposed to rebuild TikTok for like a week. So that's basically what our project was for this week. And then, so those are the type of projects that we're working on. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna just be documenting this my whole journey on this channel. If you guys are if you're a computer science graduate, you can't get a job, you don't know what to do. I mean, hopefully, by you watching me, you're able to like get some tips here and there of to help you out. So yeah, man, this is it. I'm gonna lay out, I want to just lay out all my process, like the steps that I'm taking in order to get a job. So step one is you need to have a really strong resume. I'm assuming you already know how to code, right? This is someone who already knows how to code. You already have a resume, you're applying to jobs, but you're not getting jobs. So step one is you need to have a really strong resume. And for you to have a strong resume, you need to have, look this up. There's something called the XYZ format, right? If you have look it up, go on YouTube, it's everywhere, XYZ format. That's how your resume is supposed to be. So once you have that resume and you have those solid projects, you have like 4 projects that are really solid, and then you start applying, and then now you're getting interviews now. Then once you get to that point where you're getting interviews, that's when you know you're doing good. So the second step is now to build up your your interview skills. So you have to go on there's a website called LeetCode.com. This is where a lot of computer science graduates or a lot of software engineers, they use this website to this is what they use to practice their coding interviews. It's a bunch of problems that you're given and you have to solve it. So that's what LeetCode is. For me right now, my goal is to do 4 LeetCode questions a day. That's my goal. So I do 4 LeetCode questions a day, and then I just keep doing it every single day. Like this, you have to do this every single day if you want the job, man. It depends how hungry you are. Like if you're really hungry for the job, you gotta do it every single day, bro. no breaks, man. I want to show you guys what I do on a daily basis in order for me to like trying to position myself in a position where if I do get that interview, like I'm ready for the interview. All right, so that I just what I want to document. So usually every day when I wake up, the first thing that I do is well, first I go to work. I have a job. Like I just don't have the job that I want. So Monday through Saturday, I go to work. I once I get off of work, I come home. I do 4 LeetCode questions. I try to do 4 LeetCode. Sometimes I do less. Sometimes I do more. But I try to do at least 4 questions a day. Once I do my LeetCode questions, I usually work on the projects that we're working because I'm part of this residency program. It's called Head Starter, and so we get projects every week. So once I do my 4 LeetCode questions, I try to do a project, and then once I do the project, I just document what I did for the day, and I post it. I'm gonna start posting on our Instagram account. So if you guys want to follow me, I'm gonna link my Instagram account below. It's also a new Instagram account, so if you wanna just follow my journey, I'm gonna be documenting every single day on that Instagram account. So like once I'm done for the day, I just document the day and I just post it on there. So if you guys want to follow me every single day and what I'm doing every single day, you go to my Instagram account. But if you just want to like get like a quick recap for the week, then you come to the YouTube channel. So on this YouTube channel, all I'm going to be doing is just recapping what I did for the week, and I'll just post it here on the channel. Yeah, man, if you guys want to like follow my journey, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.